I have a confession to make. I haven't been doing well in the vlog. I haven't posted as much as I wanted to because of certain things that were beyond my control. For example, my emotions. I cannot control my emotion. Back in July, Marge and I had a quarrel, and editing the vlog was not as enjoyable. When you see the videos, the clips with you and your special someone, the one you love the most, so happy, but in real time, you're fighting these emotions. So it was really hard. And then it got to a point wherein instead of procrastinating only, I stopped entirely. It was very hard. Every morning when I wake up, I always say I'm gonna edit the vlog, I'm gonna edit the vlog. Then the night comes and then I'm gonna say again, I'm gonna try editing tomorrow. I really am sorry. I apologize for not being so proactive in my vlogs. But starting today, I'm going to vlog. I'm going to daily vlog. So I'm gonna put this on record. Again, I've put this on record so many times, but I'm gonna do it again. I will start daily vlogging, and I'm not gonna try too hard. Before I was really trying too hard to do stuff in the day and then have a 8 to 12 minute vlog. And then a friend told me that she doesn't watch the vlog because it's too long. And that made me think that I think I haven't found yet my niche in this universe, the universe of vlogging, of YouTube. But I'm still trying. So I'll start today. It's 1:45 and we have a meeting at Canuck Coffee Shop at 12:30 and it's 1:45. Well, it's not my fault. I thought it was 1 p.m. and then they changed it to 12:30. I was not informed ahead of time, but I'm going there. It's real estate. We will meet and talk about real estate and the business and how to have more money and how to sell more and everything. You can join us, you should join us. If you're watching anywhere in the Philippines, comment down below. Join us. Let's travel. What I mean by travel is, let's travel together because of the incentives given by the real estate developers. So much incentives. Even better commission. Join us. Come on.